Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I'm going to show you a simple but very important quality control test that we take in our production process. That's grind gauge test. The batch that you see in this tank is our AcrylEx 300, which is a UV resistant coating. What we want to test in this step is to make sure that all pigments has been dispensed as much as required. So let me show you how the process works and how we can make sure that we have an even dispensed coating that doesn't have any problem like failure or uneven color, that kind of problems. So follow the video to see how the process works. Okay, what you see here is a metal plate that has two grooves on it. On each side you see some numbers. These are in mils, which is a 1,000th inch or about 24 micrometer. And on the other side is what we call national standard. And for this product, AcrylEx 300, we are looking for to pass number 4. So I've put some of the material out of the tank here on top, and using a scraper, I pull the coating on the plate. Okay. What's important is before our required number, we don't have to see lines that shows the particles or the pigments have been pulled and made that line. And on this sample there are some lines before number 4, and so we're gonna mix the batch more and to make sure that all the pigments has been dispensed, and then we repeat this test until we pass our required number. As you see, this quality test only takes a few seconds, but it gives us a really good snapshot of the dispersion level before we go forward with the production process. And that's how we make sure that our products perform the way they should: smooth, strong, and consistent. I hope you enjoyed this video and the test quality that I showed you. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions via WhatsApp or email, and see you next time. Bye. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.